ManyChat WhatsApp. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about one of the most incredible marketing softwares out there. Okay. And this software is called ManyChat. Okay. And we are going to be talking about how you can use ManyChat with your WhatsApp business and actually automate all of your conversations with a good chat marketing solution. Okay. So, WhatsApp, as we all know, is one of the most used instant messaging nowadays. Okay, people DM each other throughout using all these different applications like Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, but the most used is WhatsApp. All right. So, if you want to go ahead and make your marketing solution stronger and your leads even more stronger, then connecting WhatsApp to your ManyChat is going to be the best thing you have done to yourself. So, to start things off, what you are going to want to do is you're going to make sure that your ManyChat is logged in and that you have a proper fully secured account. Now, over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your settings. Now, once you're in your settings, here are the channels that ManyChat provides you. You have Instagram, Messenger, SMS, email, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Now, we're obviously going to want to go with WhatsApp. Okay. So here it says WhatsApp for your business. You'll be able to reach WhatsApp's 2 billion users globally, broadcast or respond manually in live chat. So for this, you're going to click on connect. And here it says, welcome to WhatsApp channel. Connect WhatsApp channel via Facebook and start automating your whole business. Okay. Now, here it's going to give you a step by step guide as well. So, the Facebook wizard will be opened in a new tab. Follow its instructions to connect new WhatsApp number to ManyChat, and you'll be asked to provide a phone number for your WhatsApp integration. We strongly recommend you to use a new phone number. So, I'm going to click on connect new. Okay, and you're going to choose your country. Okay, you can see how much the taxes on the country code. So on Canada we have $1.10. On Finland we have $5.50. On Puerto Rico we have $3.30, and on the United States we have 66 cents. So you can either get a number directly from ManyChat, okay, or what you can do is use your own number, okay. And I'm going to click on proceed with own number. It's going to open up a new tab for the Facebook dialog box. You're going to choose whichever platform you want to go with. So obviously I'm going to go with my Facebook account, click on get started. And here, as you can see, it says fill in your business information. So it's going to take you through the whole steppings. Okay. It's going to ask you to add in a lot of details about your business. So, let's say I'm going to add my business name. It is John's Apparel. Okay. Now, once we've added that, here it says, do you have a business website or profile page? I'm going to keep that blank. And now it's going to ask you to connect a country. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add this as a business website. Now select a country. Let's go ahead with my very own. And once we've done that, here it says by ticking you agree to the insights term of service. I'm going to keep that ticked and click on next. Now, once you have done that, everything is verified and it's going to bring you here where it says create or select your WhatsApp business account. Choose a WhatsApp business account where you can create one. Okay. So if you actually haven't created a WhatsApp business account for yourself, for your portfolio, then you're going to want to make sure to go through with your phone. Okay. You're going to download WhatsApp business in it. So what happens with WhatsApp business is that it's going to basically allow you to use your phone number, convert it into a business phone number, and then you can automatically connect it with your Facebook through your Facebook app. And then once you've done that, you're going to come back here and you're going to make sure to connect and log yourself in. Okay. And, working with WhatsApp business is a blast. Okay. You can do more with conversations, engage with audiences, accelerate your sales, and drive better customer support outcomes on the platform with more than 2 billion users around the world. Okay. So you can choose your product from anywhere at any time. Now, WhatsApp Business for any company size is also available, where WhatsApp Business products support businesses from large to small. Okay. You can see which product will best fit your needs. Okay. and it's a very fun little app to start your business on. Now, let's say you have gone through and connected your WhatsApp through your ManyChat. Okay, so now you have a very good business communication channel to actually go ahead, gain leads, convert your business dealings, and also go ahead and send people on social media ads. Okay, now over here, once we have connected everything, as you can see, it says one connected channel, which is WhatsApp. Now over here, you have a contacts first of all. Now in the contact section, if you're generally working on WhatsApp, you're not going to really need this section because WhatsApp already has all of your business contacts. But if you're going to want to store them over here, you can do that as well. So you can either, add them one by one, or what you can do is you can import them in a bulk. But to import them in a bulk, you are going to need to have the upper business plans on ManyChat. So they have the Pro plan, which basically provides you with automation and also AI. And the best part about all of this is that you can actually get for free. Okay, you can actually create a trial for yourself on this platform. So once we have done all of this, what you're going to want to do from here is you are going to go over ahead to automation. Okay. Now, the reason I bring you to automation is because this is where all the fun stuff actually starts. This is where, people actually start working. Now, what you're going to want to do over here is click on new automation. And here, as you can see, it's going to provide you with some templates. So capture customer data with a lead magnet, use a quiz to qualify leads, etc. You can also start from scratch if you want to. Now, that totally depends on you. Okay. If you think that you're good at making automations, if you've used platforms like Zapier before, then you definitely know how to create an automation over here. But let's say you don't want to create one from scratch, you can also go into their basic templates that they provide you. So we have collect opt-ins, where you can engage your customers with broadcast, conversation starters, where you can help customers start a conversation with your business, and default reply, where you can send instant replies to incoming direct messages. All right. So let's say I want to set up a conversation starter. Now, once we go over here, let's say I'm going to type a question like, what are you looking? Okay. Now, once we've added that, here we have what are you looking for? And you can go ahead and add more list of questions if you want to. But yeah, once you've done that, you're going to select a specific reply. So we're going to create a new message for what are you looking for? And as you can see, the automation has started creating. So we have a new trigger event, and that trigger event can be when user sends a message. Okay. There is no specific keyword of it. Okay. So select a way to trigger automation. Recognize intention of a message. If a person wants to work together, okay, we're going to click on create. And now if a user sends a message to work together, you're going to obviously send them an auto reply that I shall back to you. Okay, so let me just fix that. And, once you have appropriated these things for you, here you can see your automation is now created. Now you can also get a preview of this automation where if a person texts, it shall give them, I shall get back to you. Okay, just like that. So once you like what you've done, you're simply going to click on set live. And as you can see, the automation is now live and you can easily go ahead and use your WhatsApp to do all of your business dealings, nurture your leads, and a whole lot more in one space. So that is what the ManyChat platform is good for and how you can use WhatsApp to actually make it even better. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.